Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can clear YouTube search history on Android phone. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. The first step is you need to do is to open YouTube. Once you open YouTube, you simply need to click on the search on the top right, and then you need to select any search term and click on remove. So this is the first step, so you can remove any system. And the next step is simply need to click on your channel icon on the top right, and then you need to click on settings, and here you need to click on history and privacy, and you can find the second option, clear search history. Click on that, and then you need to click on clear search history. So let me show you. Okay, and here you can see that. Let me refresh that and show you. So you can see that there is no search history. So this is a process by which you can clear YouTube search history on Android phone. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.